Are you looking for the best benchtop wood lathes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best benchtop wood lathes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, CJC Mini Metal Lathe Machine. Available in a mini size, here is a benchtop wood lathe that can be perfect for different purposes. This will let you use it for drilling, boring, turning, and threading. Additionally, you can use it with different types of materials and have a better advantage. The product has a high-quality aluminum alloy body and is very durable. Moreover, it is also resistant to deformation, and it has 3 clamping diameters. Furthermore, this will offer you many options and serves great for both hobbyists and professionals. At number 4, Powermatic 2 HP Lathe. The high-quality construction of this benchtop wood lathe will make sure there will be long-lasting use. In this, you will find a digital readout so that you can have maximum convenience. Furthermore, this comes in a versatile design and allows you to use it according to your needs. You can also adjust the height for having a comfortable experience. Additionally, it features a laser-etched quill, and it is in a self-ejecting design. This is also safe to use and can be great for multiple purposes. Furthermore, it offers you many options, and it comes with a movable control box. At number 3, Shopfox Benchtop Wood Lathe. This one features a universal motor of 3/4 HP. The benchtop wood lathe has a swing-over bed of 12 inches. Moreover, it features a twin spindle speed range so that you can use it according to your requirements. The electronic variable speed control will make sure that you have maximum convenience. This will let you have easy reading due to the digital RPM. Additionally, the product is composed of high-quality materials so that there will be enhanced longevity. It features a distance of 15 inches between centers. It comes with 24 index positions and can be great for different purposes. Furthermore, it has rubber feet that help to reduce vibration. At number 2, Wen Cast Iron Wood Lathe. This one comes with variable speed and allows you to have easy controls. The benchtop wood lathe has a top speed of 3,500 RPM, and it is perfect for different applications. Additionally, this helps to prevent any kind of damage due to the soft startup. Moreover, you will also find a powerful motor of 4.5 amps that delivers superior performance. The product features a digital speed display along with a tool rest of 8 inches. This also has improved capacity and is available in a complete set. Furthermore, this will let you make precise adjustments due to the lever clamping system. It has wide compatibility and can last for a long time. At number 1, Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe. This benchtop wood lathe will offer you many options. In this, you will find onboard storage for your tools. Moreover, it comes in an innovative design and features a ratchet-type belt tension system. Furthermore, the product is available in a versatile design, and it has 24 integrated indexing positions. Additionally, this is very easy to use and features a DRO along with convenient controls. This will not disappoint you when it comes to performance and allows you to choose from varying speeds. It also features an integrated spindle lock with a spring loading facility. This will allow you to use it for professional applications and have a better advantage. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.